Over the course of several billion years, our resilient planet has weathered asteroid impacts, celestial collisions, and endured multiple ice ages, all while playing host to an array of extraordinary life forms. To the sheer survival of our blue homeworld amid such cosmic chaos is nothing short of miraculous. Let's take an immersive tour through the tapestry of Earth's history, commencing some 4.5 billion years ago when our solar system began emerging from a dense interstellar cloud of gas. And this cosmic valley led to the birth of our Sun, and in its wake, a swirling disk of matter that gradually heated up until hydrogen fused into helium, giving birth to our Sun. This momentous event set baby Earth on its celestial trajectory. Following the celestial birth, matter on the fringes of the swirling disk coalesced, forming seedlings that would burgeon into planets and moons within our solar system. These cosmic clumps grew larger and more spherical as they accumulated more matter. In the warmer realms closer to the Sun, rocky materials coalesced to form the inner planets, including Mars and Earth. In its nascent phase, Earth was volcanically active, spewing forth gases like hydrogen sulfide, methane, and carbon dioxide, which constituted the primordial atmosphere. Darkly, the young Earth wasn't spared from celestial bombardment, as large asteroids and comets incessantly pelted its surface. However, a defining moment in Earth's early narrative occurred when a planetary giant, the R, collided with our young world, resulting in a cataclysmic event that ejected chunks of matter into orbit. Gravity then worked its magic, binding these fragments together to form the Moon, the celestial companion that has accompanied Earth ever since. During this early epoch, Earth lacked oceans. Instead, water existed solely in its gaseous form. Approximately 3.8 billion years ago, the planet began cooling, enabling water to condense and form the first primitive oceans. This transformation turned Earth into a water world, setting the stage for the emergence of life. Life, in the form of microscopic organisms, made its debut at around 3.7 billion years ago, marking the inception of Earth's biological jet. As continued to evolve, the first continents emerged from ancient oceans. Scientists refer to these landmasses as cratons. The accumulation of land led to the formation of Valbara, Earth's inaugural supercontinent, albeit smaller than modern-day Australia. Around 2.4 billion years ago, cyanobacteria evolved, becoming the planet's inaugural photosynthesizers. This innovation introduced oxygen into the atmosphere, rendering it more habitable and laying the groundwork for more advanced life forms. The narrative doesn't stop there. Earth's atmospheric composition underwent significant changes. With the emergence of oxygen-producing organisms, the atmosphere experienced a shift, resulting in lower carbon dioxide levels. This shift plunged the planet into its first ice age, with substantial portions freezing over. Simultaneously, Earth's continents were on the move. The breakup and subsequent reassembly of land masses culminated in the formation of Rodinia, a colossal supercontinent that might have been the largest to grace our planet. Life, too, continued its march toward complexity, culminating in the Cambrian explosion around 540 to 485 million years ago. During this epoch, Earth witnessed the proliferation of complex life forms equipped with hard body parts, including the iconic trilobite. So around 440 million years ago, Earth faced the Ordovician-Silurian extinction, a climatic upheaval that triggered a mass extinction event, the subsequent era spanning 420 to 350 million years ago. Witnessed the emergence of the first trees, signifying the shift in Earth's terrestrial landscapes. Simultaneously, the planet experienced the formation of Pangaea, the last vast supercontinent. Cyanobacteria, instrumental in altering Earth's atmosphere, paved the way for more complex life forms. However, the journey wasn't without challenges, as the Permian-Triassic extinction, around 250 million years ago, devastated Earth's biodiversity, wiping out a staggering 90% of species. Dinosaurs entered the stage, reigning supreme for 150 million years, until a catastrophic asteroid impact approximately 66 million years ago initiated their demise. Following the extinction event, mammals thrived, and around 6 million years ago, the earliest known humans, Sahelanthropus, began to traverse the Earth. Human evolution continued, with early humans adopting upright walking and developing the first tools around 1 million years ago. Around 800,000 years ago, a pivotal moment occurred as early humans discovered how to control fire. This newfound ability allowed them to cook food, provide heat, and marked a transformative phase in human evolution. Our ancestors' brains evolved rapidly, enabling them to interact with each other and the world in unprecedented ways. Fast forward to 10,000 years ago, and Earth witnessed the advent of agriculture. Humans transitioned from nomadic lifestyles to settling down, marking a profound shift in societal structures. Subsequent major milestone in Earth's narrative unfolded approximately 250 years ago with the Industrial Revolution. This era brought about significant technological, socio-economic, and cultural transformations, transitioning societies from agrarian-based communities to industrialized urban centers. Human population growth reached 1 billion by 1804, 2 billion by 1927, and has since skyrocketed, surpassing 8 billion people since the 1960s. However, this exponential population growth has ushered in a new threat to Earth and its myriad life forms: climate change. Global temperatures and sea levels are rising, while biodiversity is dwindling, posing the ominous specter of another mass extinction event if corrective measures are not implemented. The intricate tapestry of Earth's evolution is a testament to resilience, adaptation, and the interconnectedness of all living things. As we stand at the precipice of a new chapter, grappling with the challenges of climate change, the story of Earth's evolution serves as a poignant reminder of the delicate balance we must strike to ensure the continued flourishing of life on our precious blue planet.